Hi, welcome to the training video for the NAV11 commercial vehicle tyre changer. So we have an overview of the control panel. Underneath in this little shroud is the control for the jaws to open in and out. This controls the height of the arm, so down and up. Turning of the wheel and tyre, clockwise, anti-clockwise. And then to move your control arm and tool heads into position, we use this lever here. Start with your wheel and tyre on the ramp, move up to the machine. Sit on the jaws, open the jaws up. Get the tool head out. Lock the tool head off and then line the height of your wheel up with your tool head. Approximately 10mm. Correct the front bead. Bring the tool head back out. Unlock. Spin your tool head out, ready for the back procedure. Go to the back of the wheel. Come past the back of the wheel and again lock out. You're keeping the wheel rotated. Force the tyre off the rim. Push your tyre off. Bring your tool head in front of the wheel and tyre assembly, lock off again. On this you're looking to see that the back bead is going under your rim. Like so. Move your tool head clear of the wheel and lift it out. And drop your wheel down. Move the ramp underneath it. Take the weight off the jaws. Open them up. Move your wheel clear and then remove off the ramp.